again.
Hello again. So we got this question from Jackie. She said that she doesn't want to become a Reiki practitioner, but she feels drawn to getting trained to Reiki. Can she do that? Right? And we would say absolutely.
Yes.
Yes. Earlier part of the Reiki in Japan, culture Reiki, when Reiki came back into this world, or we remember what Reiki is, one of the most important aspects of this practice was a personal development, right? So sure, it's healing, we can help others, but the first and foremost, the most important part is to help ourselves with that. So there is a strong component to spiritual development that comes with getting trained in Reiki. And we make sure to explain a lot of the things in our course, right?
Oh yeah, our classes are very long.
Very long.
But we include a lot of material.
Yeah.
So, and more people join our classes that they don't want to be a Reiki practitioner. You don't have to, actually. Yeah. We have been teaching chefs, hairdresser, therapists, doctors, nurses,
school teachers,
parents, just to use it with their kids.
Right.
I believe that Reiki or energy healing in itself is becoming an essential tool for life, period.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have it, and you can, especially now, this time, right? You needed to kind of like cope with what's going on outside and inside.
Yeah. And again, we talked about the spiritual benefit of receiving Reiki, but that's definitely very strongly present when you get trained in Reiki, right? So you become more spiritually connected to yourself and to all the things around. So that's also essentially it develops you spiritually a little bit faster, or it gives you sense of feelings and connection that you can really feel, instead of just kind of figuring it out or thinking about it. You can have a visceral experience of that, and not everybody, but most people.
Yeah, I'm contributing to the light on the planet.
Yeah,
because your light is gonna be a little brighter, and then the people next to you will feel the light that will become themselves a little brighter, and collectively together, maybe in a million years,
don't we like that?
We'll be brighter.
And I think another thing I often like to say is that healing doesn't just happen in the room, like giving Reiki, right? So who you are really should be healing in general. Who you are should be healing to yourself. Who you are should be healing to those around you. So the job doesn't really matter. If you have Reiki, you'll be healing, but you're not healing in a way that most people may think.
Yeah, you may walk around a mall. I read a book about it, about this, and that person said exactly this. You're walking around the mall and you're healing people. Might not be even aware, but your frequency is affecting everything, right? So by changing your frequency, you can actually contribute.
Yeah, oftentimes people say smile is free, why not give it away, right? It's kind of the same thing. Now once you trained in Reiki, it's kind of free, and you just kind of like, here we go, this is who I am. And they all kind of feel, oh, I feel a little nice today, so it's great. So you should definitely consider being trained in Reiki, even when you don't want to become a Reiki healer. In the quotation mark.
Yes.
Okay, we hope it was helpful.
Yes, we hope.
Bye.